Now here we've got an early Singer 15 with the gingerbread or Tiffany decal. So what I'm going to do is just give you a demonstration of a quick 5-minute cleanup. So this has been sitting under the house for quite some time. So all I've got here is just straight sewing machine oil. So we're just going to put this on. And I think you'll be pretty impressed of how darn good, and just using your hands only, because this predominantly is just grime, oil, dirt, dust, and we'll just continue to use not hard pressure, just light pressure, just rub it in, and if it doesn't come up too well, you just leave it saturated with a bit of oil. But you can see there, you can't see there. But you can have a look what this is doing just with this very, very brief cleanup. So you can already see the colour which is coming off onto my fingers. So this is only just dirt. You just give it a light rubbing, because you don't want to turn it into a sandpaper and start rubbing the decal off. So just slightly, you can feel when it's a little bit coarse, and you just say, well, I might be a bit careful here. And areas like this where it's a little bit more grimy, what we'll do is we'll just give it a quick clean up, and then so we'll just get a soft lint free cloth and just ever so lightly just give it a very, very light and gentle. T-shirt material's extremely good for this as well. But you don't want to be too harsh the first off. But you can see already just with that first effort what an absolute incredible job that has done, and that's just been a couple of minutes and a very, very good result. I'll put some more oil on this and just give it soaking for a little while, but you can see there, that is very impressive. But that's just sewing machine oil and a little bit of light pressure. Enjoy.